So, how long have the birds been watching us anyway?
They're not birds, kid. They're extraterrestrial beings that have adopted the form of harmless creatures so we don't suspect them. They're always watching. They've been doing it for ages. And they tell us how to live our lives. I know you don't believe me!
I only believe in the flying spaghetti monster. Well, tell me more about those Illuminati, huh?
Well, that's a rather shadowy subject.
Really? How ironic.
Ironic?
Yeah, you know, the Illuminati, shadowy subject. Do I really have to spell it out for you?
Alan!
Did you know there's someone out there who really hates your guts?
And now comes the part where you tell me that someone is you, right?
Well, that wasn't the plan, but now that you mention it, yeah, I really don't like you that much.
Thought so.
Well, I mean, you have to understand that... Look at your clothes.
Fine. I don't care if you don't like me. Alan!
Talk to you later.
Alan!
I can't. It's not my turn.
Alan!
Robert?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. For a second there, I thought you were going to tell me your name was Justin or something.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, never mind. Did it ever occur to you that Alan might actually be a part of you?
What? Like a Siamese twin or something?
Not really. Do you know what personality disorder means?
Of course. That's the reason I'm here, actually.
What?
Yeah, people say I have a personality disorder.
And you don't think that might explain it all?
No, not really. What do you mean?
I'm talking about Alan, goddammit. Can't you see that all the bad things that are happening to you are all down to this Alan? Don't you see that explains why you can never catch him when he breaks into your house? And why he looks just like you and dresses just like you? Fuck, Robert, you're Alan. I mean, really, can you not see this?
Oh yeah, that is a good one. You have a great imagination, kid. You could write yourself a fucking movie with that little story.
Okay, whatever. I have some more clues about your canary's whereabouts.
Columbus?
What? Do you have more canaries with weird names?
No, I fucking don't.
Well, I think I know what happened to good old Columbus. It's serious, so I'll just go right out and say it. He's been murdered.
Murdered? But how?
Well, how can I put this? It's all kind of weird, actually, so I don't know where exactly to begin.
Shh. Start from the beginning. How did you find out that Columbus had been murdered?
Well, it just wasn't some random guy. It was Alan.
Motherfucker. Alan. That Alan again. Well, that's it. If it's war that bastard wants, then it's war he's gonna fucking get.
As much as I would love to watch you and this Alan guy war, let's not rush into anything. I gotta go.
Okay then.
I can't. It's not my turn.
Alan!
I'm back.
Great! Alan!
What are you gonna tell the doctor?
Well, I'm gonna talk about my psychological problems, and I'll tell him that if he doesn't help me, I will blow the whole building to bits! Alan!
Great. Same as me then. I would have loved to see the body of that alien you killed.
Do you still wanna?
What?
You know, do you wanna see that reptilian?
I thought you said you got rid of the body.
That's right. But what if I took a picture of it with my cell phone for my butchered aliens photo album?
Really? So you take pictures of those dead things?
Always! I need proof for my friends at everythingsalie.letskillthemall.org.
Please tell me you're in those pictures too.
Of course! Otherwise, they'd never believe I killed the alien.
Fascinating. Okay then, I'm going.
Always follow your heart.
I can't. It's not my turn.
Alan!
Hello again.
Oh, fuck, man. I feel like you're the only one I talk to lately.
Can I borrow your phone for a second?
Don't you have one of your own?
Well, mine ran out of battery.
Oh. Okay, well, if it's an emergency, I guess there's no problem as long as you don't fuck it up. I think that's for you, kid.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you mean this? No. This is my sister's phone. I guess I took the wrong one.
Will you answer it already? You're pathetic.
You're right. Coming from a guy dressed like that, it's difficult to take. Really difficult to take. Hello?
Are you satisfied with your current mobile network operator?
You are human garbage.
Who is that? If you don't mind me asking.
Your stylist.
Ha! Very funny. Some people will just never be able to appreciate true elegance.
Yeah, especially you.
You're fucking walking on thin ice, kid.
Hey, I'm kidding. What a nice day, huh?
Yes. Wonderful day. Let's hope no asshole spoils it.
You bet.
The rainy season is almost upon us.
Yes, but, what about that weather we've been having lately, huh? Idyllic, right?
Well, I like it better when it's a bit colder, you know? When you crawl into bed and tuck yourself in under a nice blanket and...
Enough already! God! I cannot go on with the charade any longer.
What the hell is your problem, kid?
Oh, God, it's just that I don't give a damn about the weather or blankets. I was just trying to gain your confidence, but this is not working. It's just, look at you. I can't talk about the weather with someone who dresses like that. It's contrary to my nature. I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yeah, listen, let's talk about something else, okay?
Let's talk about something else? Go to hell, boy. They say I'm the crazy one.
But seriously, what a magnificent day, huh?
Kid, beat it.
Can I borrow your phone for a second?
Don't you have one of your own?
I want to show you something.
You want to show me something? No, thank you.
Come on, Robert. I'm not going to steal your damn phone. I just want you to check something out.
I'm not really into cell phones, kid. Mine doesn't have an internet connection. I just use it to make and receive phone calls. Nothing more.
But does it have a camera?
Well, yeah, it does, but honestly, if I need to take some pictures, I use a real camera.
Well?
Save it. I'm not lending you my fucking phone so you can take a fucking picture of your ass or something!
Well, there goes plan B. Can I borrow your phone for a second?
Don't you have one of your own?
I want to show you something.
You want to show me something? No, thank you.
Come on, Robert. I'm not going to steal your damn phone. I just want you to check something out.
I'm not really into cell phones, kid. Mine doesn't have an internet connection. I just use it to make and receive phone calls. Nothing more.
Well, I'm sure it's so old you don't want people to see it.
You're wrong. I don't care what other people think of me. You should know that already. Do you think I'd be wearing these clothes if I did?
Oh, right. Okay, then. Don't show it to me.
It's just that I don't see where this is going. Honestly.
I just wanted to check its features and stuff.
Features? I told you it's an old one. It doesn't even have Wi-Fi, which is a shame.
Are you sure? Isn't there an option to turn it on in the main menu?
Nah. Look, I just have contacts, call log, games, gallery.
Wait, check there.
In gallery?
Yeah, I'm not sure why, but they've taken to putting the Wi-Fi access in there.
Really? That makes no sense.
Is something wrong?
What the hell is this butchered aliens folder?
Huh, I don't know. Why don't you take a look, Alan?
But what is the meaning of this?
What's wrong? Do you see anything weird in there, Alan?
Don't call me that!
But it's your name, Alan, even if you refuse to accept it.
No! I would never hurt Columbus.
And yet there's the proof. You know damn well that's you in those pictures, and you also know that that is Columbus. You murdered him.
No, this isn't happening! This can't be happening again!
Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm afraid it is, and things are gonna be pretty different around here. Wow, I didn't see that coming, but it works for me.
Miss Miller, could you send in the next patient, please?
Right away, Dr. Johnson. Mr. Alan Simmons, you're next.
It looks like Mr. Simmons isn't up to his appointment right now.
Did something happen to Mr. Simmons?
I think so, yes. Anyway, how's Dr. Johnson's day looking now? Because I believe there's just been an opening.
I know what you did there.
Me? We were just talking about the weather.
Dr. Johnson, Mr. Alan Simmons doesn't feel well today, and there's this man, Dr. Doogie Howser, who insists on seeing you.
Very well, send him in.
Dr. Howser, you may go in. Dr. Johnson will see you now.
Very well, sir. I'm Dr. Harold Johnson. Now tell me, what seems to be the problem?
Okay, you see, I'm trapped in time, and I don't think that's normal.
Okay. Tell me, do you suffer from headaches or migraines?
Yes, I suffer them in silence.
Okay, I understand. Have you experienced any recent changes in your personal life?
Well, I've been having this dream lately where I start hitting on Elaine, and that really scares me.
Elaine? A former partner?
What? No. Elaine is this circus freak who runs a bar that I frequent.
So you don't find this woman attractive?
You're like a mind reader, Doc.
Okay. Let's just start with a simple Rorschach test. I know the human mind pretty well, Dr. Hauser. I'm a professional, so please take this test seriously. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to tell me what you see in each of them.
Okay. I see Carl Winslow.
I haven't shown you any pictures yet.
Oh, okay. I get it now. I'm sorry.
Now, please take this seriously. Tell me, what do you see?
Did you draw those?
No.
Then how do you know what they represent exactly?
That is not how it works, Dr. Hauser. Let's focus on your problem.
And what is my problem?
Well, I don't know yet. That is what the test is for, but we can't start unless you stop interrupting. As I was saying, I'm going to show you some pictures.
Oh, great. I love that.
Now tell me, what do you see in this picture?
I can't see anything. I'm blind.
You have to take this test more seriously, Dr. Hauser.
Fine.
All right, let's try again with the same picture. What do you see here?
A squashed butterfly.
A squash butterfly. Interesting. Great. It seems like we're making some progress here. And what about this one? What do you see?
Squashed butterflies. It's always squashed butterflies.
It depends on who's looking at the picture.
Okay, so I'm the kind of guy who always sees squashed butterflies.
Duly noted. Let's move on. What do you see here? Very well. What about this one? What do you see?